invited to view our presentation titled RIoT Wireless Monitoring. Stay tuned. Before we proceed on to this presentation titled RIoT Wireless Monitoring, in other words, Remote Internet of Things Wireless Monitoring, the copyright statement has to be expressed. RF Solutions Limited, United Kingdom, all rights reserved. Content format, SourceNet Comsla Limited, Nigeria. This presentation titled RIoT Wireless Monitoring is for a specific product and brand promotion, sales and installation purposes. The logo mark on the pages indicate the author's original ownership of the work. All product images and descriptive texts are original work of RF Solutions Limited, UK, except in the context of the presentation, which is organized and written by SourceNet Comsla Limited, Nigeria. Copying, reformatting, or reproduction of any part or whole of the materials outside the product, brand promotion, sales, and installation works must seek permission from the original copyright holder, RF Solutions Limited, UK. Signed, Director, Projects and Products, SourceNet Comsla Limited, Nigeria, for RF Solutions Limited, UK.
RF Solutions started in a bedroom in Lewes many years ago. Is that want to integrate one of our radio modules within their own application. We sell to electricians who want to install maybe a garden lighting or industrial type product, and we sell specifically designed customized systems to other companies where we help them integrate radio within their product.